Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on when you remove your S Pen, the Samsung Note opens up on screen and you can basically start writing your notes. So currently, when I remove my S Pen from my Samsung S25 Ultra, the Air command opens up. However, you can change this so that Samsung Notes open up and you can basically start writing your notes. So to do this, first go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see advanced features. Now go ahead and find S Pen. From here, find when S Pen is removed, tap on this. Currently it's set to open Air command, or for some of you, it might be set to do nothing. You can go ahead and tap on create note. So now when you remove the S Pen from your Samsung S25 Ultra, Samsung Note will open up and you can start to type in your notes. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on the feature where the Samsung Note opens up when you remove your S Pen from your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.